Ready to build your dream website without spending a single penny? Let's dive into creating a stunning WordPress site with free web hosting. First, we'll choose a free web hosting provider. Search online for providers offering free WordPress hosting and compare their features like storage, bandwidth, and available subdomains. Choose one that aligns best with your initial website needs. Next, register for an account on your selected free hosting platform. You'll likely need to provide some basic information and verify your email address. Now, install WordPress. Most free hosting providers offer a one-click WordPress installer from their control panel. Follow the on-screen prompts to set up your WordPress site. You'll need to choose a username, password, and website title. Once WordPress is installed, access your dashboard and then head over to Appearance. Choose a free WordPress theme from the theme directory. There are thousands to pick from, so select one that matches your website's purpose and style. Don't be afraid to preview themes before activating them. Now, let's add some functionality with plugins. Click on Plugins, then add New. Install plugins for essential features your website needs, like contact forms, SEO optimization, or social media integration. Remember to only install what is necessary and test all features. Finally, customize your website by adding your own content, images, and branding. Create pages and posts to showcase your content and make your new free website look professional and appealing. That's it. In just a few minutes, you have a functional and aesthetically pleasing website without spending any money. Remember, free hosting has limitations, so upgrade as your needs grow. Good luck creating something amazing.